Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jumoke, and my channel's name is Truly Jumi, so that means that you can also call me Jumi. This video is going to be about crochet hair. There's a lot of videos here on YouTube about how you can crochet your hair. People are still quarantined, so I thought let me come here for those that don't know how they could do their own hair, to just show you guys how you could just do your own hair real quick and easy. You can also save money and keep safe by doing your own hair. So this hair I got from the hair store, but I believe you could also get it from, you can definitely get it from Amazon. So I would advise that you guys get it order it on Amazon, and then when it's shipped you can do it yourself. I'll have to insert a video of how I did the cornrow underneath before inserting the crocheted hair. Here's the cornrow pattern that I used, and I started off with a twist of stranded hair, then I crocheted it together, and that gives it the single look. And this is the Faux Locs. Let me I'm going to show you guys how the package looks. The crocheted hair that I use for this look is the Faux Locs, and this is a soft Faux Locs, plumpy curly, and it is 20 inches. And I used the color 4 and I used color 1B. The reason why I use color 4 is to have color in there, but since it's brown and black, so it's not really much of a difference in color. But if you would like, they have it in burgundy-ish color, tan-ish color, the lighter colors are also available for this hair. And I like that it's curly all throughout. For the length of the hair, it goes all the way down to right here, so way very close to my bum. I already have done the hair, but there are some parts that I missed, so I was like, let me use this opportunity to show you guys how you can crochet the hair in. So I have some of the hair that I already took out, and this is it. And just to show you guys, there is a loop. I don't know if you can see it, but I'll put my hand through it. There's a small loop right here, and this is where the crochet, this is where the crochet needle would go. And so what you'll do is you'll have the cornrow, and then you'll take the needle through the cornrow, and then you insert the holes from the loop. You insert it in so it goes through your cornrow, and then next attach the loop. And let me just show you how I do it, because I don't think I'm explaining it right. Let's see, right here you'll see the cornrow that I have. Hopefully you can see that. And usually when I do my hair, I don't really need a mirror. You just use your fingers to feel everything. So here is the cornrow, and I am going to make sure you open up. So this is closed. Open it up, and you insert it through the cornrow. You put your loop on the hook. I hope you guys can see. And you close the lash, take it out, and still leave it in. Leave the loop in the loop, and you grab the end of the lock, put it in the hook, close the hook, take it out, and you just pull it out of the loop of the crochet hair. And that goes in like that. I'll try another one. And this one I'll do it slow motion so you can like see it better. So I still have more space. And now I will insert it in. So again, open up the hook of the crochet needle, open it up, and you insert it in the cornrow. And while the needle hook is still open, you insert the loop of the hair. You insert the loop of the hair, and then you close the hook. Then you pull it out and take the end of the crochet hair attachment. You put it in the hook, close the hook, and easily take it out of the loop. And then you just pull it out. And I'll do it again. As you can see, it's very easy to do. I feel like the only hard thing could be doing the cornrow, but if you can't plait your hair in cornrow, you can also do flat twists, and you can insert the crochet hair that way. And this is a very easy style for anybody can do this, literally anybody. And it's good that you can get the hair online, get it delivered to your house, and it could be a project of your own, and it's something that you'll be really happy about. I hope this helps you guys. I will insert a picture of my cornrow pattern before inserting the locks in the hair. And with the pattern that I use, like, I can easily put this up in a bun, and it looks like it was like individually inserted in it. You won't even know that it's crochet. And that's it. But the cornrows that I use are big because my hair is very thick. So I hope this helps you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And I hope you guys have a great one and that you guys are staying safe. Make sure you wash your hands. Make sure you're using hand sanitizer, but it'll be better to wash your hand often. And also make sure you're always wearing your mask. And I hope you guys stay safe. Please share, comment, and like. And also put in the comment below what suggestion you would like, and even a hairstyle that you guys tried yourself during this time period and you're amazed by it because it's something that you did by yourself. Thank you so much for watching. You guys have a great one. Bye bye.